are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Brida Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session we are going to learn a new grammar topic. Right? So, a new grammar topic name is subject-verb agreement. So now you will be thinking that what is subject-verb agreement? What is this now? So let me explain you first. Do you know verb? What do you mean by verb? Verb are the action words, right? Verb क्या है? Verb are the action words. Verb is an action word. वर्ब जो है वो क्या है? दैट इज एन एक्शन वर्ड, यानी कि जो भी हम एक्शंस करते हैं दैट कम्स अंडर एक्शन वर्ड, राइट? नाउ अ सब्जेक्ट, व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट? सो अ सब्जेक्ट इज द पर्सन और थिंग. सब्जेक्ट इज द पर्सन और अ थिंग दैट डज द एक्शन, यानी कि जो ये एक्शन को करता है, राइट? द वन हु परफॉर्म्स द एक्शन, a person or a thing, that is our subject. What is subject? The one who performs the action, right? The one who does the action. So that is our subject. Now in sentences such as I eat, she runs, right? So who eats? I. So I is the subject and eat is our verb. So when the subject changes, now let me tell you one sentence I want to say. Okay, I am writing over here. The boys please. The boys please. Does it correct? Boys and please, does this match with each other? क्या दोनों match हो रहा है? Boys plays. No, it does not match with each other, right? So this sentence is wrong. The boys plays. This sentence is wrong. Now if I write the boy play, this is correct or not? No, this is also not correct. Then if this is also not correct, this is also not correct, then what is the correct sentence? So the correct sentence means, if you write like this way, the boys play. The boys play, or the boy plays, right? Then if you boys and play, boy and plays, if you write like this way, then only the sentence is correct. So what does it show? It shows that who plays? So the boy. So the boy is our subject, right? So boy is in plural form. Boys जो है वो plural में है, यानी कि it is in plural form, right? So play जो हमारा verb है, अगर subject जो है वो plural होगा, then the verb will also be in plural only. So when the verbs are in plural, we don't add s. जब वर्ब जो है जब वो प्लूरल में होते हैं तब हम उसमें s ऐड नहीं करते. If you know that rule then. So now the boy plays, here the subject is in singular form, right? So the plays is also our verb, that is play, is also in singular form, right? So what here it is saying, when the subject changes in number, सब्जेक्ट जो नंबर में चेंज यानी कि सिंगुलर प्लूरल कैसे वो चेंज होता है, सिंगुलर और प्लूरल, एज आई टोल्ड यू Then the verb also changes. तो verb भी इसके साथ change होगा. To agree with it. यानी कि वो subject के साथ agree होने के लिए वो change होता रहेगा, right? So this is known as subject verb agreement. So let me write the definition so that you can when the subject changes to number, when the subject changes to number, that is singular or plural, singular or plural, or you can say plural, then the verb also changes. The verb also changes to agree with it. उसके साथ agree होने के लिए, right? So this is known as subject verb agreement, right? So this is known as subject verb agreement. Now when he plays tennis, the children play tennis. As I just now, the boys play and the boy plays. So what is there? When the subject is plural, verb is also plural. When the subject is plural, then verb is also plural. And when the subject is singular, then verb is also singular, right? यानी कि जब सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होगा तो वर्ब भी हमारा प्लूरल होगा. अगर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होगा then our verb is also singular. Okay? So when the subject changes to number, whether it is singular or plural, then the verb changes to agree with it. So this is known as subject verb agreement. Now if you want to copy it down in your book, then just pause the video and note it down in your book. Okay, so I hope that you have noted this down in your book. Now, let me tell you something else. So now, I'm making a box over here, singular, and over here, plural, right? So, what is there? Singular, if it is in singular, then is, if it is in plural, then are. Was, were, has, have, does, do. Right? So this is the table for singular and plural. If you want to note this down in your book, then note it down so that you can move ahead. Okay. I hope that you have noted this down in your book, right? Now, let us see some of the examples so that you can be clear with this topic, that is subject-verb agreement. So, for example, if I write a man dash waiting at the station. A man dash waiting at the station. So what will come, is or are? A man is there. So a indicates, हमें क्या बताता है? A indicates that there is only a one man. वो एक ही man को indicate करता है, right? A singular noun को. So a man is a singular noun. तो हमारा verb भी क्या होगा? Singular होगा, right? Because subject is also singular. So our verb will be also singular. So is we are using for singular and are for plural. So what we will use? We will write is with singular noun a man. A man is waiting at the station. Now if I write people dash waiting at the station. People dash waiting at the station. The same option, is or are. People, what is our subject? Who is waiting? People is waiting. So people is our subject. तो अब people में people यानी कि बहुत सारे लोग, right? So वो तो plural हो गया. जो जब हमारा noun subject plural है तो हमारा verb भी क्या होगा? Verb भी हमारा plural ही होगा. So what we are going to use? We are going to use are. People are waiting at the station, right? Now if I write some girls dash out in the courtyard. Some girls blank out in the courtyard. So what will become? Some girls dash out in the courtyard. Here girls is there. So it is a plural one. Girls. So is or are? Are, because our subject is plural, so verb will be also plural. So are. Some girls are out in the courtyard. Right? Then after, several scientists dash work on this project. Several scientists dash worked on this project. Several scientists यानी कि कई सारे साइंटिस्ट हैं, कई साइंटिस्ट ने ये प्रोजेक्ट पे वर्क किया है. Scientists. So scientists, several scientists. So it is a plural one, right? So and our option is has and have. Has and have. So has we are using for singular. As just now only we have seen the table, right? So has for singular and have for plural. So here the subject is plural, then our verb will be plural. So our answer is have. Right? Then after, the rocket dash been launched successfully. The rocket dash been launched successfully. यानी कि रॉकेट जो है वो लॉन्च हुआ. रॉकेट सिंगुलर नाउन, रॉकेट की एक ही रॉकेट की बात की गई है. And the same option, has or have. Subject is singular, so the verb will be also singular. So our answer is has. The rocket has been launched successfully. right? So in this way you are supposed to solve the blanks related to this. If it is something related to noun, अगर verb के बारे में है, play और plays, अगर s verb में अगर हम पीछे s लगाते हैं तो वो singular verb बन जाएगा, और बिना s के अगर हम लिखते हैं तो वो plural verb कहलाएगा, ठीक है? If plays I will write, तो plays singular होगा, and if play I will write again, then it will be plural. Okay? So now one question is, take the correct sentence in which the verb agrees with the subject. कि verb जो है वो subject के साथ agree कर रहा है. Are either of the machines working? यानी कि कोई भी एक मशीन काम कर रहा है, either of the machines. So it is a correct sentence, यानी कि verb जो है वो subject जो है वो verb से agree करता है. The camp counselor as well as the boys is swimming. कैंप काउंसलर और उसके साथ बॉयज एस लगाया गया और फिर लिखा है इज स्विमिंग, तो इज आएगा बिकॉज बॉयज जो है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है, वो तो प्लूरल में है, तो इज क्या हो गया, वो तो सिंगुलर हुआ. सो डज इट अग्री? नो, इट इज नॉट अग्री. तो आप सेंटेंस में टिक मार्क नहीं लगाओगे, ठीक है? तो आपको ये सेंटेंसेस रीड करने हैं, आपको सब्जेक्ट और वो फाइंड आउट करना है, एंड देन यू आर सपोज्ड टू सॉल्व. सो आपको ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस में टिक मार्क लगाने हैं. नाउ इफ अ नंबर ऑफ द पावर लाइंस इज डाउन बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स, पावर लाइंस इज लाइंग डाउन. पावर लाइंस कोई सारी लाइंस के बारे में बात की गई है, तो इज आएगा? नो, आर. सो अ नंबर ऑफ द पावर लाइंस आर down. So the sentence is not agree with the verb, right? So we will not put a tick mark. Then a high percentage of the people was voting for the new school. A high percentage of the people was voting or were voting, because people is there. People we are using for the plural one. When there is a plural subject, then our verb will also be plural. So what will come? Was or were? Were. So this sentence is also not correct, right? Does not agree with subject and verb. So this is also not correct. So ऐसे ही आपको find out करके, think करके आपको tick mark लगाने हैं. Then comes blanks. So either the doctors in this hospital or the chief administrator that's going to make a decision. या तो फिर डॉक्टर और या फिर चीफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, कोई एक जो है वो डिसीजन लेने वाला है. सॉरी, यानी कि कोई एक जो है वो डिसीजन लेने वाला है, यानी कि कोई एक ही डिसीजन लेने वाला है, राइट? तो इज आएगा या आर? हम एक की ही बात कर रहे हैं, या तो फिर ये दोनों की बात नहीं कर रहे, तो इज आएगा कि यार एक की बात कर रहे हैं तो इज. द पार्किंग पास एंड द टिकट डैश ऑन द डेस्क. पार्किंग का जो पास था और टिकट दोनों चीजें, यानी कि दो चीजें हुई, तो ये तो प्लूरल हो गया, तो इज आएगा कि आर? राइट? तो आपको ऐसे ही जो ब्लैंक्स है, जो भी कुछ है, now if I say several of these books dash brand new books, right? तो books जो है वो हमारा subject plural है. now look आएगा कि looks, तो books के साथ looks तो मैच नहीं होगा, मैंने आपको पहले एग्जांपल में दिखाया था. तो books के साथ sing a plural noun that is look बिना s वाला जो है वही मैच होगा, तो books look. So several of these books look brand new, right? तो ऐसे ही आपको blanks भी solve करनी है, right? So I hope that you all understand about subject-verb agreement. Keep this point in your mind that when the subject is plural, the verb will also be plural, and when the subject is singular, the verb will also be singular. Okay? Just keep this point in mind and solve the exercise so that you can solve it very easily without any kind of doubt. Okay, so I hope that you all enjoyed this session. And while solving, I'll send you the worksheet which you are supposed to solve it in your book. So while solving the worksheet, if you don't understand anything, if you have any kind of a doubt, then just go through the video again. And still if you don't understand anything, then you can ask me, okay? आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो. So this is all about today's session. I hope you all enjoyed this session, right? And our topic, that is subject verb agreement, you all understand it well. So now until we meet again in the next session, right, with a new topic. Till